That is America, that's our folklore, and that's what this country
Well,
was built on.
God,
No, we'll straighten it out.
hang in, Kirchhoff. We could use more of you. Thank you, sir.
Well, you know, we were talking.
Appreciate it.
We were talking about the Westerns. The Asians, the Germans, like you said, all the Europeans, they love the Westerns.
Well,
they
they
can't
do.
get enough of the
They
Westerns,
do.
you know. And we have it right in our backyard, and they're taking it.
Well,
don't
you know,
take
we've
advantage of it.
become sort of nonchalant about it, but, you know, I love it.
Yeah.
When I'm not here, I'm always glad to get back so I can see some of that.
You know, some of the movies like McClintock was on yesterday.
Sure.
I've seen it a million times, but I still watch the whole thing.
All right, this is how you know you're really into this. Even if you own the DVD and it's 11:30 and you're channel surfing and you hit Tombstone,
You'll watch it.
You'll
You
watch
gotta
it.
watch it.
That's right.
You
That's
gotta
for
watch
sure.
it.
And that's just one of many. I lost it. Go ahead. I had a thought that just disappeared because I was being funny.
Was Brain O'Hara, was she real influential in helping you with Old Tucson? Getting
Was she
started?
what?
Was she influential in helping you get Old Tucson
Well,
started?
No, not started, but she starred in the first picture we ever made there after we opened under the remodel.
The Deadly Companions.
Deadly Companions. That's
Directed by
Sam Peckinpah.
Sam Peckinpah.
Sam
That was
Peckinpah.
That was his first movie.
that was his first feature film.